You don't need any skills to do this. This is worldwide, and right here is some of my ClickBank earnings from January and February 2020 using very effective and high converting methods just like this one. And in this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can replicate this. What's good, fellow entrepreneurs? The best part about the strategy, anybody can do this. It's worldwide. I'm going to give you a free traffic method and one amazing paid traffic method that really suits this method really well, and that is also very high converting. And this yet again is going to be another amazing training video. This meaning it's going to be a more high income skill video where I'll be teaching you something more in depth rather than one of those quick and easy ways of making money such as surveys and those couple of sites that only pay a couple of cents. This is more of a full-on business model that you can use to actually build more of a sustainable income online. But guys, my name is Jay and I'm an online entrepreneur, software and web developer from South Africa. And on this channel, I post daily content on how you can make money online, build your online business and build your online presence and brand. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an awesome video just like this one. But if you're ready for this value-packed video, let's get straight into it. And I'm going to be using two important and key tools throughout this video. I have showed them on my channel before, but I'm actually going to use them by doing something completely new that I haven't really showed on my channel before. I'm going to be utilizing them very differently, so it's important that you stick with me throughout this video so that you can learn exactly how to replicate this strategy and make the most money online yourself. But let's keep going. And the first website that we need to head over to is clickbank.com. We're going to be using affiliates and affiliate product. I've got an amazing product already selected for this method that suits this method really well. So what you can do is you can come over to ClickBank. There are many alternatives to ClickBank. You can search on Google. You'll see right here, if I come over to the affiliate marketplace, there's actually the niche of travel that I'm going to be using for this specific method. You'll understand in a bit why I prefer the travel niche for the specific method. You can use any other niche, but I'm just going to be using the travel niche. So you'll see right here on ClickBank, there is an option that says travel. There's a couple of products here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to filter this by gravity, meaning the top selling products. These are products that are already doing very well and selling very well. So these are the best products to use. And I'm going to scroll down a bit, and the product that I'm going to be using is this one right here. Why not fly for free? So basically this is a little program or a little course that will teach you how to accumulate and use airlines awards, and you can actually fly for free by using this course, and you're going to earn 50% commissions. So you'll see right here, you're going to earn an average of $12.36 per sale, which is very good. So it means it's not an expensive product, meaning it's something that will sell a lot and very quickly, meaning I would rather much get a lot of little sales than one or two big sales, because it adds up and can end up becoming quite a lot of income. So you'll see right here, if I click on the website, it will take me to the landing page and you can see discover how to fly for free and travel on a shortening or shoestring budget, meaning a low budget. And this course will basically teach you how to fly for free. So now that I've got my product and now that I've got my website, we need to build a landing page because a lot of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, you name it, are banning affiliate links. So I'm going to head over to my office at builderall.com, which is one of the best landing page and funnel builders out there. I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can get a free plan to design these pages completely for free. It is my affiliate link, so if you ever decide to upgrade to a paid plan, I will get a commission for that. And once I've signed into my Builderall account, you'll see right here, I've got a whole bunch of different tools, from builders to email marketing to engagement to design, video design and autoresponders. These are some of the apps that I've already installed, and the one that we are going to be using is this one right here, the Cheetah drag and drop website builder. And you can click right here on the enter button, so we can now go and design our website. And what's really nice about Builderall, it already comes with built-in hosting. You don't even go buy extra hosting on that or Bluehost or A2 hosting. You also get free domains, so you get like your own free domain with this. You'll see right here, once you log into the Cheetah website builder, they've got a published section and an unpublished section. We're going to create a new website on the unpublished section, and I'm just going to title this free flight tickets. We can then click on select template. I'm then going to click on next, and you'll see right here they've got a ton of different templates or landing pages or website designs that you can use. So I want to find something that maybe looks like the travel or the air niche that we can use for our landing page, because obviously that suits our product. So here we are. Here's quite a cool one that I found. I just kept on scrolling down and I found this one right here, Travel Agency Site Express, which is a free template that comes with your Builderall account. You don't need to go pay for this. It's already here designed for you. You just literally need to copy and paste, and you'll see right here, this is what the landing page looks like. It really looks beautiful with like the airplane, the picture of the shot. It's just very professional. When I scroll down, it basically gives a little bit about the product. We don't need to actually have all of this. We literally just need this landing page section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select on this one over here, and there will be a button on the right that says save. I'm going to click on that. It will then take you to a page like this where we can then click on edit our site and edit our website. And there we go, guys. You can see I'm right here on my drag and drop website builder. You can see you've got your menu, you've got your page. So what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to keep this section over here. I'm going to delete all of this as I actually don't need any of the stuff that's further down. We literally just need a bridge page, not an entire website, which that bridge page will then lead to our affiliate link, because social media platforms are banning affiliate links. And once I've removed everything and all the unnecessary other elements on this page, you'll see right here I've just got my landing page that looks like this. Obviously I'm going to change this, so I'm going to leave this at Travel Agency Express, and I've got my title, and I'm literally going to copy this same title on my affiliate page, or the affiliate page of the product: discover how to fly for free and travel on a shoestring budget. So I'm going to literally double click on this, highlight that, and I can paste this over here. We can move all of this call to action stuff down a little bit. There we go. And then for the subsection, I'm going to add this: you'll save money on your next travel purchase or your money back guaranteed. So I'm going to place that here on my builder. Double click on this to edit the text, and I'm going to paste that like that. And then the call to action, you'll see right here, I can click on edit elements. And on the right here, you'll see there's a section called headline. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to highlight this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over back to the ClickBank affiliate marketplace. On my product, I'm going to click on promote, because we obviously need to get our affiliate link. And then I'm going to type here my account name. And once I click generate hop links, you can see this is the long link that you're going to get. So when people click on this link and they purchase the product through this link, you're going to get your commissions of $12.36. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to bit.ly to shorten my link and to actually track the amount of clicks that it gets, which is really handy for marketing purposes. So you see right here, I can copy this. That's my new bit.ly link. I can come back to my page builder again, click on this button. You'll see right here, there's an option that says set link. Click on that, and it will pop up with a tab that looks like this. You can paste your URL. I'm going to open this in a new tab and click on save. Once that's done, I can click on save my page, and then it will pop up with something that looks like this. Saved. Do you want to publish the website? I'm going to click on that's fine, because I want to publish it so that it's public for anybody to access. And then once that's done, it will give you your free link to your website or your domain. So what's nice is you don't need to go buy a domain. Obviously, buying something like a .com or a .co.za domain, it would look a lot more professional as well. But you'll see right here, if I click on go to website, this is what my basic landing page looks like. Very simple, looks like this. Once you click on get instant access, it will take me to my hop page. On the page, you can see right here, Trav connects with my hop link. So when people go and buy this product, I'll get my commission. But one thing I also want to make sure before we continue to the next step, you want to actually click over here on the mobile device and make sure your website's optimized by mobile, because a lot of people will be accessing this website on a mobile. So there you can see this is what this will look like on a mobile phone, and this is what it will look like on a desktop. So it looks pretty good. There's nothing that you need to change. You can save this, but make sure that you edit both. You can literally click on an element and you can move it around. So now that we've got our awesome landing page, what we need to do is next, we're going to be using two traffic methods. So I'm going to be using a platform called Canva just to design a little like a picture that we're going to be using for the one method. And then I'm going to be creating like a little Instagram swipe up story for the second method, or the first paid method I'm going to use. Then I'm going to show you the free method. But what I like about the Instagram story method, it is one of the most effective ways of advertising a product like this. So I'm going to head over to a website called wave.video, where we can make like a free 8-second swipe up video that is very attractive and high converting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in with my account. You can sign up for free on this website, which is really cool. And once you've signed in, there will look like an option like this that says plus new video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on then browse templates when you hover over that, and they basically give you a ton of free templates that you can use right here, which is amazing. There we go. So if I type in plane on the search bar, I found like a pretty cool one over here that's free to use. You can see this is a pretty cool video of like a sort of like a video shot through the window of a plane, which is very attractive. So I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to use this video. I'm going to make sure that I choose Instagram story. I just want to zoom this out a bit, and you'll see right here, I've kind of made this into the Instagram story resolution by clicking on the 9:16 story, which is what you need for Instagram. So you'll see right here on the first 3 seconds of the clip, I can edit my message, and I can type here, do you want to learn how to fly for free? Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this as is that. Then on the next 3 seconds of the clip, you'll see right here, you can click over there, add text. Then I'm going to put here swipe up to fly for free and on a and travel on a shoestring budget. Then what I'm gonna do is, you'll see right here, I'm gonna add like a graphics and stickers section. I want to see if I can find anything that's got to do with an arrow. And then over here, there's a couple of emojis that you can use. There's actually a perfect one over here that I can use already that says swipe up. That's genius. They already have that. There we go. Oops. If I click on that, move that there. Let me just readjust that. Swipe up. So now when I click play, this is what my final product looks like. So this is what an Instagram story looks like. So once that's done, you'll see right here on the left, there is a publish button. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to show you how you can actually download this video. You'll see right here, click on render so it will save. And this is what your video will look like once it's done rendering. But you'll see right here, if I click on download, you can't actually download it because you've got a free plan. But what you need to do is, I'll show you this cool trick where you can actually download it. If you click over here, copy link on your video landing page, copy that, open a new tab in your browser, paste that, and I'm going to show you how you can download it directly. So this is what your video looks like. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to go right click on inspect elements, and right over here you can see this one that says video ID, this little snippet of the code that says video ID player. If I right click on edit as HTML, here is my download link or my watch link for the video. You can right click on that, copy that, paste that again in your browser, and you'll see right here, it will open it up in a section like this, and it's downloaded here on my local PC. So once I click on this, it's now downloaded on my PC, which is really cool. So now that we've got this, we can head over to a place like Fiverr. We can head over to another website called shoutcart.com. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to type in here, let's go Instagram shoutout. And there's actually a bunch of Instagram influencers. For example, right here, I will give you a shout out on my 30K Instagram page at only $5. I mean, let's say even 100 people out of that 30K people swipe up. I'm sure it will be a lot more than 100 people, but worst case scenario, 100 people swipe up, only 5 people convert. That's like $60 in sales. Let's say 20 people convert, that's about $200 in sales in a day. There's also shoutcart.com. So if I log in with Shoutcart in my account, I'll show you all the different influencers that you can get as well right here on the browse influencers page. So once I head over here, you will see right here, there's actually a ton of influencers. There's this account right here. You can't really see the name, but you can see that they've got 753K followers with a $30 shout out. So imagine even if 500 people out of that converts, that is going to be, let's go 500 times, let me confirm the amount that you can get is $12.36 for the sale, times 12.36 is $6,100 in sales with this specific product using this shout out method with Shoutcart. Even let's say if 100 people converts out of this 753K people, which I'm sure they will with a simple shout out, you're going to get $120 or $1,200 in sales. And I think it's an item that will sell a lot because it's a low ticket item. And what you can actually do is you can even go and filter your categories to something like travel. Right here, if you click on the little travel arrow, meaning you can go and get your offer shouted out in the travel niche, because obviously this is the niche that applies with your product. It is definitely going to be much more converting because these people are looking for a specific product or content on the travel niche, which is a great way to get even more sales. So what I suggest is Shoutcart might be the better option since you can actually filter by the travel niche. Otherwise, Fiverr, you will find a ton of shout out gigs. And then the second method that we can use, we can actually go somewhere to like Facebook groups, right here on Facebook, and we can literally search travel. For example, we can search something called in the travel. We can head over here to groups. We can filter by groups, and there's a ton of different groups that you can join, such as this one right here, travel. You can see right here, this group gets a lot of engagement. They've got over 19,000 members. Same with this one right here, travel community. If I click on this one, they've got 118,000 members. So these groups are very popular. There's a lot of people in them. You can join a group and post your same video. Instead of saying swipe up, you can say link in the description by editing your video on that same Wave website and post that same little video in these groups. It's a great way to just get some free traffic to your offer. I mean, there's over 100,000 people in this group. Back to travel, there's one called here, travel bucket list. So if I click on that group and I come over to members, you'll see right here, they currently have 428,000 members, which is a lot of members with over 1.2k posts a day. So it's a very active group with a lot of people on the group. So it's just Go to a couple of groups in your niche, post the same video. Obviously you want to change it up. You don't want to have swipe up on the Facebook page, on the Facebook group, because Facebook doesn't have a swipe up feature. Just change the check text to something like click on the link in the description instead of swipe up. But guys, this is really an effective strategy, especially the one with the Instagram shoutouts. It is a paid method, but it's a great way to get a lot of traffic to your page or your link or your offer. But what I suggest is go have a look at shoutout or shout cards again. Once you find 1 or 2 pages that have a very good engagement rate, I suggest to stick to that one, and you can purchase more and more shoutouts from them over time with the profits that you perhaps make, and earn even more online with that. But guys, if you want to see some more of my awesome videos and some free courses and playlists that I've got right here on YouTube, right here on the screen, I've got 3 of my best playlists on how I'm making money online and building online businesses and providing a ton of free valuable content there for you guys. So make sure to choose one of these, and I'll see you there.